Rob and Carney, longtime supporter, first-time submitter of questions. Of course, everyone is too, right? Any trips or ticks? Outdoor
Ticks. I don't like ticks.
Nobody likes tick. Cord management. That's the topic, Jordan.
Yes.
What can we do to help Rob with cord management?
Yeah.
Couple things.
Zip ties, and then also these Velcro strips that attach to the cord, so you will not lose them. Boom, please use them. You could also, if you have a lily put that's mounted to a newer bar or that you don't have to take apart, and you're always using it all together, and you have your power cord for the camera and the lily put and all your HDMIs, you can put them all into a bundle, make a snake, and you can either zip tie them together, or you can get those the sheaths.
It's kind of a plastic sheath that I've seen,
that you can put them in, and then they're essentially one cord, and that kind of ties everything up nice and neat. Those are...
Cable management, as soon as you go beyond camera, capture device, laptop, as soon as you go beyond that, cable management becomes a big issue. And so gaff tape becomes a production person's greatest friend. Zip ties are great. We have also found that there are reusable zip ties. Ooh, do those get fun?
Yes.
To use, because then you don't have to snip them off. You can just actually push the little button and they undo, and it's amazing.
It beats having to buy them over and over.
Yes, that too.